What's going on, travelers? All right, if you're heading to Thailand anytime after today, May 1st, 2025, there's a brand new requirement that you need to know about. And it's called the Thailand Digital Arrival Card, or the TDAC. And if you don't fill it out right before you land, immigration might stop you. So follow along, and let me tell you what you need to do to get yourself right before you land in Thailand. Let's go. All right, but don't worry, I'm gonna walk you through exactly what it is that you have to do and how to fill it out, and the biggest mistakes to avoid in just a few minutes, so follow along. All right, so the TDAC replaces the old TM6 paper form that travelers used to fill out on the plane. Now it's completely digital. No more scrambling with pens and paper in flight. Every non-Thai citizen, whether you're a tourist, a digital nomad, or a business traveler, has to fill this out before you arrive in Thailand. And yes, this includes people traveling by air, land, or sea. Let's go. All right, guys. You're gonna need to go to the official site, write this down, screenshot it, whatever you gotta do. tdac.immigration.go.th, that's the official website. Don't get scammed out there by fake sites. And fill it out within 3 days before you arrive. You're gonna need a few things. You're gonna need your full name, your passport number, your flight number, and your arrival date, the address of where you're staying in Thailand, and a health declaration if needed. Yeah, all right, now you're halfway there. Let's see what else we need. All right, like I said, we're more than halfway there. It's gonna be a big one. So when you land, you just show your TDAC QR code on your phone, or you can print it out. They're gonna scan it and you're good to go. It's faster and way more convenient than the old system. All right, don't do what most travelers are doing right now and messing up, and these are gonna be some mistakes to avoid. So listen up. Here's where most travelers are messing up. Number one, don't wait until the airport. You might not have enough internet or enough time. Number two, don't use fake websites. There's scam sites out there charging for this, but it's 100% free on the official government website, which we'll link below. Number three, make sure that your info matches your passport exactly, or you could get flagged. Number four, if you're traveling with friends or family, each person needs to fill out their own TDAC, even kids. If you land without completing it, some airports might have kiosks to help, but it's gonna slow you down and you'll probably get stuck in a longer line. Plus, if you're entering through land borders or late night flights, those kiosks might not even be open or available. So do yourself a favor and fill it out ahead of time. All right, guys, this is part of Thailand's push to make travel smoother and more modern, and personally, I think it's a good move. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more real Thailand travel tips, and drop a comment if you're visiting Thailand soon. We'll help you out. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Travel OG showing you what you need in Thailand to arrive in 2025, and we gone. Thanks for watching the video.